This goes out to all the parents that don't know about gambling. You need to listen up. To all the parents, you need to listen up. Kids out there gambling like that's what's up. Poker games, dice games, man, whatever. It's a shame that kids take risks to make that cheddar. Getting money, flipping dollars. You think cause you're paid that you're a shot caller. You think it's skill, but it's really not. You getting all this money, so you think you're hot.
Losing money, chasing dollars, finding yourself 6 feet under. Getting locked up ain't no fun, no reminiscing in the sun. All the kids want to follow, but this hole is way too hollow. Losing all the things you had, wishing you had it all back. Get a job, you get paid more. With gambling, you just waste more. Be a true winner, gamble just for losers. Get real money cause you don't want a loser. Can't pay the bills cause you stuck in the dice zone. Now your girl mad cause you can't keep the lights on. Nothing to do cause you messed up your life. Best thing to do is throw away the dice. Losing money, chasing dollars, finding yourself 6 feet under. Getting locked up ain't no fun, no reminiscing in the sun. All the kids want to follow, but this hole is way too hollow. Losing all the things you had, wishing you had it all back.
Back on the hustle, back on the grind. Time to get your life in line before you lose every dime. Holding up a sign talking about you work for money, cause you waste your money, just like a dummy.
It causes so many things up on the streets. Now you're panhandling cause you can't handle things, cause you're out of control. You took the wrong road to get the cash flow.
Just be going out to our parents that don't know about gambling. You just need to listen up.
What I'm saying?
Stop
it, man. Stop it.
Throw away the dice.
Don't say to stop it or do something.